If you're involved in welding, cutting, grinding, or any work that generates heat or sparks, this information is critical for your safety and the safety of those around you. Let's start by explaining what hot work is. Hot work includes any operation that generates flames, sparks, or heat that could potentially start a fire. Think of a welder repairing metal equipment where sparks fly several feet in every direction. Or consider a worker using an angle grinder, sending a shower of hot metal particles into the air. These are perfect examples of hot work that require permits. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need a permit? Picture this scenario. A maintenance worker needs to weld a broken bracket in a storage area. Without checking the surroundings, they start working. What they don't realize is that just around the corner, there's a stack of cardboard boxes and some cleaning supplies. Those sparks from welding could easily travel and ignite these materials. This is exactly why we need hot work permits. A hot work permit is like a safety checklist that must be completed before any hot work begins. The permit system ensures that proper precautions are taken before, during, and after the work. Let's walk through the process. First, you need to inspect the work area. Look 35 feet in all directions from where the hot work will occur. This distance might surprise you, but remember, sparks can travel far. Remove any flammable materials from this area. If you can't remove them, they must be properly covered with fire-resistant blankets. Next, check for flammable gases. For example, if you're working in an area where vehicles are serviced, you need to test for gasoline vapors. The permit will require documentation of gas testing when necessary. You must have appropriate fire extinguishers nearby. Sometimes, depending on the job, you'll need a fire watch. That's a person dedicated to watching for fires during and after the work. They're like a safety guardian, keeping an eye out for any signs of fire while you focus on your task. For example, in a manufacturing plant, a worker finished welding and left for the day. What they didn't realize was that some sparks had fallen into a small crack in the floor where they slowly smoldered. 3 hours later, a fire broke out. This is why the fire watch must remain for at least 30 minutes after the work is complete, checking for any hidden hotspots. The permit will also specify what personal protective equipment you need. This typically includes fire-resistant clothing, appropriate eye protection, and leather gloves. Remember, regular work gloves aren't sufficient for hot work. They need to be specifically rated for heat protection. Before any hot work begins, the permit must be signed by an authorized person. They verify that all safety measures are in place. Think of them as your safety double check. The permit should be displayed at the work site while work is in progress. After the work is complete and the fire watch period is over, the permit needs to be closed out. This confirms that the area has been checked and is safe. The completed permit should be returned to the safety office for record keeping. Hot work permits aren't just paperwork. They're a proven system for preventing fires and saving lives. Never rush through the permit process or skip steps. If conditions change during your work, stop and reassess. It's better to take extra time than to risk a fire. Stay safe and always follow proper permit procedures.
Are you fed up with sifting through binders trying to find the right toolbox talk? Safe Leo can put an end to that headache once and for all. You'll never ever have to comb through binders again. Now you can easily upload your own or choose from our comprehensive library of preloaded text-based and video-based toolbox talks. No more last-minute scrambling to pull something together. Even better, you can bulk schedule those talks across all your projects, ensuring they happen consistently without someone having to remember. When it's time for the safety meeting, just pull up the day's talk on your phone or tablet and deliver it to your crew. Taking attendance is a breeze too. Workers can digitally sign in right on the device, or you can snap a photo of the physical sign-in sheet. Either way, SafeLeo keeps everything documented and stored in one organized system. Safety should be the top priority on any job site. Now you can streamline your toolbox talk so you can focus on the information, not scrambling to find it. Click the link below to request a quick demo.